Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Fail to fetch instance that does not exist. Easy. The fix is easy. Just go to the location, the instance, open it in. Just change to any location, any other location of this menu other than the one you created the instance in. After that, go back to the location you have created the instance in. You will find the problem solved. The problem will be gone. We'll try again. Let's try to connect again. It's working, as you may see. Well, this is for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this. So see you later. Bye bye.